If you've lost access to your Slack account and can't use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Slack login page. Go to the Slack login page on your web browser. Here, you will find options to log in or recover your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Enter your username or phone number. Instead of your email, enter your Slack username or the phone number associated with your account. This will help Slack identify your account. Step 4. Follow the instructions. After submitting your username or phone number, follow the on-screen instructions. If you have a phone number linked, you may receive a verification code via SMS. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you verify your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Slack support for further assistance.